Hello guys and welcome back to today's cryptocurrency video, and today we are going to be looking at HEDERA or HBAR. HBAR is currently at the 0.0794 level. We are currently ranked at 36 with a market cap of about $2.67 billion. We have a 24-hour volume of about $42 million, and today we are going to be looking at the price action, the technical analysis and price prediction right here for HEDERA HBAR. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the video, right? So in the last 1 week, HEDERA is down 3.5%, and in the last 24 hours, we are down 1.2%, right? And without further ado, let us push to the chart, right? So we are on the chart right here for HEDERA versus the USD dollars. We are on the 4-hourly time frame, and Binance is the data source, right? So we have, or we usually see on the channel, that prices usually move from level to level, level to level, and as you can see, prices have been moving in between a support and resistance levels, right? But just looking at the chart right here for HEDERA, we are forming this kind of triangle, right? This triangle pattern. And these triangle patterns usually break both ways, right? So many times we have seen these kind of triangle patterns break to the upside, right, 80% of the time, but also 20% of the time we have also seen these triangles break to the downside, right? So this is a 50-50 scenario right here. We could see a moon-like scenario, a bull market scenario, where we break to the upside and retest right back the highs. And if we see a break to the downside right here, that could be another Goblin Town scenario where we could see a push right back to the bottom, right? And that could be the Goblin Town scenario. But what is happening with HBAR right here is that we are getting towards the end of the triangle. As you can see, we are tightening. And in the next 48 hours, we are going to see a break either to the downside or to the upside. So that is one of the things you want to be careful about, that we are about to see the break happen soon. But another thing you want to be look at, right, that is of concern, basically, is when we look at the EMAs, right? You would remember that we became bullish right here on HEDERA in October, where we saw prices push above the bull market EMA. So as you can see, prices began to push above the bull market EMA right there in October, right? And we were forming structure above the bull market EMA. And we said that we are about to see some sort of massive bull run right here for HEDERA HBAR, right? We pushed above the confirmation EMA and we saw that massive push to the upside. Currently, the reverse is happening. We have lost the bull market EMA. All the efforts to reclaim has met with a lot of selling from the bears, and we are forming structure below the bull market EMA. As you can see, this typically could see a massive push to the upside right there. So that is another thing to take note of. And another thing also to take note of right here is Bitcoin, the king of the market, right? Bitcoin is forming this sort of shooting star pattern. And typically, the shooting star pattern is a bearish signal. Usually, where we have seen the shooting star pattern, right, a big push to the upside, and we see the formation of the shooting star candle. This is on the weekly, mind you, Bitcoin versus the USD dollars on the weekly. Then we could see some sort of massive push to the upside, right? As you can see, this is the shooting star pattern, right? The shooting star candle pattern. After an uptrend, we see a formation of the shooting star, which is an upper shadow at least twice as big as the real body. We have a small body, and then we see a downtrend, right? And as you can see, exactly this is what is happening on Bitcoin. A massive uptrend. We have formed the shooting star right here, and we could see the beginning of the bear market, or of the bears, or a beginning of a downtrend by the end of the week. So this is a very bearish pattern. As you can see right here, shooting star signals a potential downside reversal, and is most effective when it forms after 2 or 3 consecutive rising candles, right, forming higher highs. As you can see, we do not have 2 or 3, we have 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, right? So if we see a big pullback in Bitcoin, The same thing could affect HEDERA, and we could see a massive pullback for HEDERA to the downside. So this is one of the things we also should be watching, that we could see that breakdown, which could result in a massive bear case scenario, and also we could see a breakout to the upside, which could take us to the moon, right? So that's the update right here on HEDERA. If you like the channel, please do not forget to click on the like button, click on subscribe button. Thank you for watching, and have a blessed day.